I need manual for MTD riding mower. So I can figure out how the belts go on. And belt sizes and with a springs hookup. On riding mower MTD 38 inches cutting deck. Mode 134H450F522 Manufacturing Code 1K193120279. Thank you, rogrr.
Hello, and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. I'll be helping you today and am committed to providing clear and concise answers to your question. Here's a manual that will show the belt procedure and routing on pages 16 to 17. Manual and the parts numbers for the belt are forward, NNN-NNN-NNNNNor, NNN-NNN-NNNNbr/rear, NNN-NNN-NNNNor, NNN-NNN-NNNNbr/. The belts are not sold by size because they are of fractional length and the construction and cording are designed for the particular application. I strongly suggest that since this is a variable speed drive system that both belts are replaced at the same time. Putting a new and a worn belt together can cause drive problems. Also, check these small nyliter bearings. If worn, the system will not perform properly either. Number 51 is NNN-NNNNNNNbr/ number 52 is NNN-NNNNNNNbr/. If replacing them, use some never sees to ensure smooth movement of the pivot brackets. If you need more information, or feel the need to rate negatively, please stop and reply to me via the Reply to Expert link with the issue you have. I will be happy to continue further and do everything I can to provide you with the best service possible. Your highest rating is my primary goal because that means I've given you the top quality service you deserve. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.